guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then hey, my name is Brooke. If you like coffee, then you're in the right place because I make a lot of those videos. But today I am going to be showing you guys how to make an iced caramel macchiato, and it's like a video request from one of my subscribers, so if you commented that, here you go, boo, I'm making it for you. In a typical iced caramel macchiato, you're gonna need caramel sauce, milk, espresso, or if you don't have espresso, you can use coffee, but you know what I mean, like coffee. Espresso is better because that's usually what is used in a caramel macchiato. So if you have something that makes espresso, you're gonna be more successful with like mimicking the taste that you would get at Starbucks or Pete's or something. So yeah, caramel sauce, a vanilla syrup, ice, your milk of choice, and espresso. I'm not going to be using vanilla because I don't have vanilla syrup, and honestly it might be a little too sweet for my taste. But if you have vanilla syrup or you want it to taste exactly like a Starbucks or Pete's or any of those like other like chain type places where they use both of those syrups, you're going to want to get both so you can mimic the taste to the best of your abilities. But today I'm not going to be doing that. But with all of that being said, I'm going to try and cut my intros a little bit like shorter because I've been noticing that I talk a lot like in the beginning of my videos. So I am going to stop doing that. Yeah, so with all that being said, if you guys are interested in learning how to make an iced caramel macchiato, then just keep watching. So for today's choice of beans for our caramel macchiato, I'm going to be using the Chamberlain Coffee Social Dog Blend. I've had a couple of people ask what beans I recommend for the espresso machine. I've been trying beans out so that way I can get like the best answer for you guys, because I don't want to give you a choice of beans and then you try it and it not be up to my standards. So I've been trying out a couple brands of beans, and I'm going to upload that video either next week or the week after, so that way I can give you guys a really good recommendation instead of just one that I'm not 100% hooked on, you know? So these are the beans we're going to be using for this video. Okay, so for the caramel, I made mine before I did the video. So if you guys are interested in making your own caramel, I'll link the recipe I used down below, but you can totally just buy some as well. So first things first is my caramel's like kind of thick, so. Come on, baby girl. Yes, okay. I'm gonna try and make this look cute, but we'll see how that goes. Hold 1 sec. Okay, if you're using vanilla, this is the point when you would add vanilla to the bottom of the cup before you put your ice. But like I said, I'm not gonna use vanilla, so. Okay, now I'm going to add ice. And then I'm gonna add milk. For my milk, I'm gonna be using oat milk, but you can totally use whatever kind of milk you'd like. Yeah, and if you're adding vanilla, just mix it in with your milk before you pour it into your cup. It's probably good. Now you're going to add your espresso on top. And I spill as I always do. But that is an iced caramel macchiato. And if you want to, you can totally add more caramel on top. But yeah, that is the caramel or iced caramel macchiato. Now, the best part, let's try it. Okay guys, this is her. Ready? Now, like I said, if you like your caramel macchiato sweet, which you probably do, because if you're ordering a caramel macchiato, like you want a sweet drink, totally feel free to go to the store and get some vanilla syrup. I know they sell it at Target. You can buy it at, I think maybe Walmart, but definitely they have it at Target because I was just there today. And you can totally just buy some like squeezable caramel, some vanilla syrup, and mix the vanilla syrup in with the milk. Caramel drizzle inside your cup, and then add your milk with your vanilla mixture, ice, and the espresso on top, and you have an iced caramel macchiato. Yeah. Very good. Very good. I haven't had one of these in years. Very good. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you try it out and let me know what you guys think about it. And if you have any other video ideas or video requests, just leave them down below in the comments because I am slowly making my way through them. Next week, I'm also going to pick the video from one of the comments as well. And next Friday, which is April 30th, I'm going to announce the giveaway winner for this right here. And if you haven't entered that, make sure you go ahead and do that. All you need to do is go watch my last video. It's the turmeric espresso latte. Give the video a thumbs up, comment down below a video idea and your Instagram handle in case you win so I can message you. And that's pretty much that. Simple. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you again so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me, and if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps your girl out very, very much. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and thank you so much for watching this. Bye.